Have you ever dreamt of exploring the picturesque cities of Switzerland? Known for its stunning landscapes, pristine lakes, and charming towns, Switzerland offers an unparalleled travel experience. In this video, we will guide you through the top 5 cities to visit in Switzerland. But before we dive in, we'd love to hear from you. Have you visited any of these cities? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's embark on this Swiss adventure together. Number 5. Lausanne. Located on the shores of Lake Geneva, Lausanne is a vibrant city known for its rich culture, historic architecture, and beautiful scenery. Home to the International Olympic Committee headquarters, Lausanne is often referred to as the Olympic capital. Visitors can explore the Olympic Museum, which offers fascinating exhibits on the history of the Games and the athletes who have competed. The Old Town of Lausanne is a charming area with narrow, winding streets, medieval buildings, and the impressive Lausanne Cathedral. The city also boasts a lively arts scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and music festivals. Don't miss a visit to the Collection de l'Art Brut, a museum dedicated to outsider art. The best time to visit Lausanne is from May to September, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for exploring the city and enjoying the lake. Number 4. Interlaken. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken is a picturesque town renowned for its outdoor activities and stunning alpine scenery. Known as the adventure capital of Switzerland, Interlaken offers a wide range of activities for adrenaline seekers, including paragliding, skydiving, and canyoning. The town is also a gateway to the Jungfrau region, where visitors can take the Jungfrau Railway to the top of Europe and enjoy breathtaking views of the Aletsch Glacier. For a more relaxed experience, take a boat cruise on one of the lakes or explore the charming streets of Interlaken, lined with shops, cafes, and traditional Swiss chalets. The best time to visit Interlaken is during the summer months, from June to September, when the weather is perfect for outdoor activities and hiking. Number 3. Geneva. Geneva, located at the western tip of Lake Geneva, is a cosmopolitan city known for its international organizations, luxury watches, and beautiful parks. As the headquarters of the United Nations and the Red Cross, Geneva has a rich history of diplomacy and humanitarian work. Visitors can take guided tours of the United Nations office at Geneva and learn about the important work being done there. The city's old town, with its cobblestone streets and historic buildings, is a delightful area to explore. Don't miss a visit to St. Pierre Cathedral, where you can climb to the top for panoramic views of the city. Geneva is also famous for its jet d'eau, a stunning fountain that shoots water 140 meters into the air. The best time to visit Geneva is from June to August, when the city hosts numerous festivals and events, and the weather is ideal for enjoying the lake and outdoor activities. Number 2. Lucerne. Lucerne, situated in the heart of Switzerland, is a charming city known for its preserved medieval architecture and stunning lake views. The city's most famous landmark is the Chapel Bridge, a covered wooden bridge that dates back to the 14th century and features beautiful paintings depicting historical events. Another must-see attraction is the Lion Monument, a poignant sculpture commemorating the Swiss guards who died during the French Revolution. Visitors can also take a cruise on Lake Lucerne or ride the world's steepest cogwheel railway to the summit of Mount Pilatus for breathtaking views of the surrounding Alps. Lucerne hosts several cultural events throughout the year, including the Lucerne Festival, which attracts music lovers from around the world. The best time to visit Lucerne is from May to September, when the weather is warm and ideal for exploring the city's outdoor attractions. Number 1. Zurich. Topping our list is Zurich, Switzerland's largest city and a global financial hub. Zurich offers a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. The city's historic old town, Altstadt, is a maze of narrow streets, medieval buildings, and vibrant squares. Key attractions include the Grossmünster, a Romanesque-style Protestant church, and the Frauenster, known for its stunning stained-glass windows by Marc Chagall. Zurich is also home to a thriving arts and culture scene, with numerous museums, galleries, and theaters. The Kunsthaus Zurich, one of Switzerland's most important art museums, houses an impressive collection of works from the Middle Ages to contemporary art. For a taste of Zurich's famous nightlife, head to the trendy Zurich West District, where you'll find an array of bars, clubs, and restaurants. The best time to visit Zurich is from June to August, when the weather is warm and the city comes alive with outdoor festivals and activities. Switzerland is a country that offers a wealth of experiences, from the cosmopolitan allure of Zurich to the outdoor adventures of Interlaken and the cultural richness of Geneva. Each of these top 5 cities has its unique charm and provides an unforgettable experience for travelers. Have you visited any of these cities? Share your experiences and recommendations in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest travel guides. For more travel inspiration, visit our website The Global Yard. Happy travels!